Dear viewers, welcome to another amazing tutorial by you.How. Today's video is very special because I will show you how you can copy data from any Windows system without loading Windows. You don't need password to log in to a Windows system to copy data. You can do it without logging in using this method. So watch the full video and don't miss out anything. This video is for educational purpose to let you know that how your data can be stolen from Windows system without knowing password. Hopefully Microsoft will fix it soon. Often the Windows on our computer or laptop becomes corrupt and Windows does not load. But before reinstalling Windows, we need to copy the data from a drive in order to prevent it from deletion during Windows installation. In my case, the situation is even interesting. My Windows 11 has become corrupt and it is showing black screen after logging in. Now I need to create bootable USB to repair or reinstall Windows on my system, but the Windows image file is in a drive of my computer. I need to copy Windows image file from H drive of my PC into USB drive. I am going to do this without logging into Windows and without using any software. If you are facing the same issue, then this tutorial is dedicated to you. By the way, my name is Abdul Rahman and I upload amazing tutorials and authentic online earning videos. So please consider subscribing my channel for more valuable content. I am using HP system, so I will press F8 to load Windows in automatic repair or diagnostic mode. If you are using Dell or any other system, the key may differ. However, the easiest way to load Windows in auto repair mode is to turn on the PC, and when Windows has loaded, suddenly power off the system without shutting down properly. Then turn it back on and Windows will start in automatic repair mode. You will see this automatic repair screen. Please pardon me for video quality as I am shooting with handheld phone camera. Click on advanced options. Click on troubleshoot. Now click advanced options. Click on see more recovery options. Cancel this dialog box. Click next. Now click on advanced. Now click on install driver. Click OK. This is where the magic happens. My Windows has not loaded, it is corrupt and does not display anything except a black screen on logging in. But using this method with automatic repair mode, I can see and access all the drives of my computer as well as data saved therein. I can open any drive and copy paste data from one drive to another as well as delete the files. This is a big flaw in Windows. We have not used any password, although I have one set for my system. The Windows is installed in C drive and I can open it and copy data on desktop and from downloads or my documents. Let's cut the vital resources folder from E drive to F drive. Although we are not seeing any progress Windows for copying process, but it is working in the background. Let's get back to E drive and see if vital resources folder is still there or not. It is not here, so let's get back to F drive. The folder has been moved to F drive successfully. It just needs to refresh to show the new data. So don't worry, when you copy or cut paste data using this method, you will not see the copy paste progress window. However, you will directly see the files copied or moved to desired drive when the copying process is complete. This is my USB drive and I have copied this Windows image from another drive using the same method. I hope this tutorial solves your problem and gives you a big relief. Please like this video and share your feedback in comments. Thanks for watching. See you with another video soon. Bye bye.